Uthiũrũrĩtio thĩ na umagaritio ni andu a nyumba yake niguo Mumemerekia Jacqueline Wanjiru Maribe akinyirio igoti-ini ria Kiambu kiroko kia umuthi itanya inene ari kuhoya arekererio riri uthuthuria urathie na mbere. Mugaru na itanya riu mucirithania Justus Kituku atua Maribe ahingirwo kwa ihinda ria thiku ingi 10 thutha wa mwena wa thitango kuiguithia igoti ati ari no hoti wa guthoga uthuthuria uria urathie na mbere kumana na wira uria arutaga.
I'm convinced that compelling reasons do exist to warrant detention in custody. So in the interest of justice, I've granted the prosecution 10 days to detain the suspect at Gigiri police station. I've also directed that an advocate should be allowed access while she's in custody and that she should not be forced to record any statement in the absence of an advocate.
Itua riri rigiuka ona thengia wa wakiri wake Katwa Kigen kwira igoti Maribe akoretwo akinyitanira na honge cia uthuthuria kuma riria agwetirwo gukorwo ari umwe wa aria mangikorwo mahutanitie na njuragano iyo.
If the prosecution are very interested in getting DNA extraction from her, she is prepared to give it as recent as right now, Your Honor. And in relation to that, Your Honor, my client would like to emphatically indicate that she is willing and happy to cooperate with the investigators.
The respondent is a well-known media personality with a huge following, hence has the capacity to interfere with investigations.
Na ona gutwika ndanathomerwo thitango yothe mwena wa thitango ni uhithurire thitango iria cia kuhingirirwo Maribe agikorwo uthuthuria ni ukuonania ni anyitire itemi hari gikuo kia Monica Kimani uria urari muhuri biashara.
The general nature of the evidence that which the suspect has been arrested on, it's relating to serious offences, which might be murder, accessory to murder, maybe in relation to issues of firearms. These are not light offences; these are serious offences, and this has been alluded to by the investigating officer.
Uthuthuria-ini witu ni tuhithuriirwo arata hakuhi ari ni hamwe na aria marutithanagia wira na aria manarutithania wira na Maribe maya kuhungwo mahuri maabithaa uthuthuria makigeria kuhithura Maribe ni mundu muthemba uriku.
Madam,
cira uyu woete mwerekero uyu riri mwendwa wa Jacqueline uria ni mwikwiro munene wa njuragano ino Joseph Irungu atanyitwo gukinyio igoti-ini muthenya wa gatano kiumia-ini giki thutha wa gukorwo ahingiritwo kwa ihinda ria thiku 10 makiria. Cira wigi njuragano ya Monica Kimani igithiaga na mbere kuguciriria aria marutithanagia wira na Mumemerekia Jacque Maribe riu ni nginyagia tariki 11 riria cira ugatuithanio kana ni akarekererio na bodi kana ni akaimwo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma igoti-ini ria Kiambu, Joseph Irungu.